Hello everyone, this is Devesh Arora from BeetleBite.com and today we have the iPhone 7 with us. So this is the 32 GB variant. As you can see right here, you've got the neat little Apple logo there, the iPhone branding. It was a sticker, I just peeled it off. So that's it. Let's get that peeling sound. So here's the brand new iPhone 7 with that matte finish on the box as well. Let's drop it down. So as you can see, designed by Apple in California. We've got a couple of leaflets here alongside the Apple logo sticker. That's the iPhone 7 in all its glory. And so since this iPhone was imported from the US, it has that US pin, and that's a 5-watt travel adapter. Cute little adapter. Here's the lightning earphones, and you also get the lightning to 3.5 mm jack, which doesn't come with the newer iPhones. And lastly, we have the USB to lightning cable. So let's keep all this aside and switch to the phone. So this is the iPhone 7 we just unboxed with that matte finish on the outside. That satisfaction. So as you can see, this is already turned on. Let's just quickly skip through the process. English. So we have just quickly ran down the setup process, and that's how you're welcomed by the iPhone. So that's your first look on the iPhone 7 as well as its unboxing. We'll be bringing more such videos, so do subscribe to the channel and keep following us. Do visit our website beetlebite.com. Cheers.